Hello bosses, this is Dr. Shweta Potdar, the smartphone entrepreneur. Now here's a tip for you. The new feature that Facebook has added to the profiles is called a watch party. Now when you go to a group and you click on the posting button, you will see all these options here. One of them, which is the third from the top, is called a watch party. Now what is a watch party? A watch party is basically you can play all the videos which are listed on Facebook. So it is like a Facebook live, but you are not appearing on that live video. And once you play a watch party, all the videos that you queue up and play in a watch party are watched by the entire group in real time. So if you are watching 1.02 minutes of the video, then the entire group is also watching 1.02 of the video. Now let's see how it works out. I'll click on watch party here. These are all the options that I have to play the videos. Instead, I'll play the videos from my Facebook page. So what I'll do is I'll click on add to queue, add to queue. So once all my videos are added in the queue, I'm going to click on done. You can click on the videos, watched videos, group, live, saved. So you have all of these options amongst the videos that can be played. So all these videos need not necessarily be from your page or created by you. You can always play videos which have been created by someone else as well. As long as the video is hosted on Facebook, that can be played in a watch party. Now as you can see, we have created 6 videos here. This is the place where you can add some text. Okay, this text has been added. You can add whatever you want, and once you click on post, all these videos will start playing.
Hello bosses, I'm Dr. Shweta Potdar. I am primarily a dentist by profession.
Now the first video has ended. This is your second video.
So a name tag is the latest feature that we see on Instagram.
So everybody can watch these videos. Now everybody in this group is watching this video at the exact same timestamp that I am watching at. So basically this is a live video playing and I'm sharing my screen with everybody in the group. So what I'm watching is exactly what everybody else in the group is also watching. Now this is a great tool if you want to promote yourself in any group, if you want to, if you're tying up with any group for promotion, if it is your own private group for your business, then you can play the videos related to your business as well. And this is where all the comments are. So anybody who is watching this video can comment on it as well. This is your playlist. You can add more videos here by clicking here on this add video button. Again, you can add more videos and add them to the queue so they can play one after the other. These are the emoticons. You can click on all of them. Okay, so that is how a watch party works. Now once the videos have all ended, the watch party will end. You have to make sure the screen is on the entire time a watch party is being played, because if your watch party is being played and you exit this window to go into another app, that watch party is going to be halted. So everybody else is going to see the screen which says that this watch party has been paused. So as long as you are the host of a watch party, make sure your screen of the watch party is on all the time. Let's go back. And this is how a watch party is seen after it is over. Okay, you will see all the videos in a sequence in which they were played. You can see all the reactions, or people can react to it afterwards. And if you want to have your own watch party, so I think that's all about the new update by Facebook. Please try it and use it to the best of your ability for your digital marketing and social media marketing. Bye for now.